What if Earth was captured by a black hole? Imagine waking up one morning and discovering that something impossible has happened. Astronomers around the world are in a state of panic. Every telescope on Earth is pointed toward the same object. Governments interrupt television broadcasts. Scientists gather in emergency meetings. A black hole has appeared near our solar system. At first, people don't understand the danger. After all, black holes are often misunderstood. They don't roam the universe like cosmic vacuum cleaners, sucking everything around them into oblivion. But this one is different. It is moving toward us, slowly, relentlessly. And according to calculations, it will pass close enough to Earth to change our destiny forever. The first signs would not be dramatic. No explosions, no giant waves, no fiery destruction. Instead, astronomers would notice tiny changes in the orbits of distant planets. Neptune drifts slightly from its expected position. Uranus follows. The delicate balance that has existed for billions of years begins to break apart. As months pass, the black hole grows brighter, not because it emits light, but because gas, dust, and debris falling into it become superheated. The night sky changes. A strange glowing ring appears among the stars. Soon it becomes impossible to ignore. People around the world stare upward every night. Fear spreads faster than the scientific explanations. Social media becomes flooded with theories. Religions interpret the event in different ways. Some believe it is the end of humanity. Others think it is the beginning of something greater. Then Earth begins to feel the effects. The black hole's gravity slowly alters our orbit around the sun. At first, the change is tiny. A few seconds added to a year. Then minutes. Then hours. Weather patterns become unpredictable. Seasons shift, winters arrive earlier, summers become shorter. Entire ecosystems struggle to adapt. Scientists race against time to understand what comes next. The calculations are terrifying. Earth will not collide directly with the black hole. Something even stranger will happen. We will become trapped by it. Imagine Earth being pulled away from the sun and captured by an invisible cosmic monster. One day the sun would no longer be the center of our journey through space. The black hole would be. As Earth drifts farther from the sun, temperatures begin to fall. The oceans start freezing from the surface downward. Plants die. Food chains collapse. Cities consume enormous amounts of energy simply to stay warm. Humanity retreats underground. Gigantic subterranean habitats are constructed beneath mountains and deep below the oceans. Nuclear reactors become our primary source of survival. The surface world transforms into a frozen desert. Yet humanity refuses to disappear. Generations are born who have never seen a blue sky. Children grow up hearing stories about sunlight as if it were a mythical treasure. The stars become the only reminder of the universe beyond their underground homes. But the black hole has more surprises waiting. As Earth continues orbiting it, strange effects begin to appear. Time itself starts behaving differently. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, strong gravity can slow time. Near a black hole, this effect becomes extraordinary. People on Earth would experience time more slowly compared to distant regions of the universe. At first, the difference is small, then it becomes significant. Imagine spending 1 year on Earth while several years pass elsewhere in the galaxy. Civilizations around distant stars would age faster than humanity. Entire generations could rise and fall, while Earth experiences only decades. Humanity would become a time traveler, not by moving forward through technology, but through gravity. The universe outside would race ahead, and things become even more bizarre. As Earth approaches closer to the black hole, the night sky transforms into something unimaginable. Gravity bends light itself. Stars behind the black hole become distorted. Galaxies appear stretched and twisted. A glowing ring surrounds the darkness. The universe seems broken, but it is simply obeying the laws of physics. For those who witness it, the sight is breathtaking, terrifying, beautiful. Then comes the ultimate question. Could humanity survive forever in this strange new existence? Perhaps. Advanced civilizations might eventually learn to harness the immense energy surrounding black holes. Theoretical structures called Dyson swarms could be built around accretion disks. Energy production would exceed anything humanity had ever achieved before. The descendants of humanity might thrive in gigantic artificial habitats orbiting the black hole. They could spread across countless space stations. They could become masters of gravity itself. Ironically, the object that once threatened extinction might become the foundation of a new civilization. Thousands of years pass, then millions. Humanity changes. Technology evolves beyond recognition. The frozen Earth becomes merely a historical symbol, a birthplace remembered but no longer inhabited. Our descendants explore regions of space once thought unreachable. They study the black hole that reshaped their destiny, and eventually they discover a terrifying truth. Black holes do not live forever. They slowly evaporate. Through a process known as Hawking radiation, they lose energy over unimaginable spans of time. For billions upon billions of years, the change is invisible. But eventually, the black hole begins to shrink. Its power weakens. Its grip on surrounding objects loosens. The civilization that depends upon it faces a new challenge. For the second time in history, humanity must prepare for a cosmic migration. They build colossal starships, artificial worlds, interstellar arcs, not to escape destruction, but to seek a new future. As the black hole fades away, humanity leaves. The descendants of Earth spread across the stars. The black hole that once seemed like the end of everything becomes a chapter in a much larger story. And perhaps that is the greatest lesson of all. The universe is not merely a place of dangers. It is a place of transformations. The end of one world can become the beginning of another. A black hole may see